no talking. Thank you. Hi, everyone. Good evening, good evening, good evening, good morning, wherever you're talking to us from. Welcome to the awesome Belafrica show. And you guys know who this is. My name is Olamide Onipede, your host with the most, and my co-host, my beautiful co-host is here.
Sharon Palacio, good evening. It's going to be fireworks. I'm all excited.
All right.
Cultures.
Yes, it's going to be an awesome time this evening. So, this evening, we'll be talking about the beautiful African culture. I'm just trying to get my agenda ready. So, bear with me, guys. Just a second. No, technology fails sometimes, but we're going to get through. So, this evening, like I said, is going to be a cocktail of African culture. And we have a special guest. We have Dr. Ludwig Palacio, who is an awesome historian. Yes. And he's going to be telling us some things, about the different cultures. Also, we have some of our Waturugo dance troupe who will be dancing this evening. Yay, I can't wait for them to show us some African moves. Oh, hey. And also, we'll be having a glimpse of the Creole culture by Geraldine Kuna. We have the Igbo culture by Hope Amadi, and also a glimpse of the Yoruba culture by myself and Samuel Aluko. Now, we all know that the African culture is really broad, because when we're trying to pick this topic, Miss Palacio actually picked this topic. She's so intelligent. The cocktail of African culture. It's I was like, this is really broad, because African culture is so rich. Is a lot of African countries. We all know that, and I think Africa is the only continent with so many languages and culture and ethnic groups. So that's why I said it's really broad. But we'll be bringing it down to just a few from mostly Nigeria, because I am a Nigerian and I am Yoruba. Hey. Yes. So, and also we'll be tying in some Garifuna, because we all know all of these languages goes back to Africa, right? So we'll be teaching you guys few things. For example, I'm going to say good evening in my language. Ekaleo, eshegote, tenwo, program yi pẹ̀lú wa, Ọlọ́run á wà pẹ̀lú yín o. I just said, good evening, everyone. Thank you for tuning into this program, and God bless you.
Yeah, before you get Dr. Palacio on board, his topic is specifically, read it there for me, all of
connecting the dots, a glimpse of the Garifuna culture. Woo!
Yes, let's pick it up for Dr. P.
Yes, and we all know that the Garifuna settlement day is coming. I can't wait for November. Yeah, right. November. Yes, November 19. Oh, I shouldn't be asking that. But it's November 19. So we'll bring Dr. Ludwig Palacio to give us a glimpse of the Garifuna culture. So, Dr. Ludwig Palacio, please take it away.
Biti Guyo, Biti Binafi if it's morning. Good day, everybody. Let me see how I can connect these dots in a few short minutes, which is obviously almost impossible. Yes, the Garifuna culture go way back to Africa, to the Caribbean, and subsequently to Belize. And I must preface this by saying that no, we were never discovered by Christopher Columbus. No, we were not brought here by him. We saw him coming from our shores. We are an African people that came around the same time with King Abu Bakari II from the Malian Empire. There is enough information to prove that today, and to disprove all the Columbus and Eurocentric history. So this might get a few viewers and listeners a little bit irritated, but that's fine. We have to face the truth. The same way we're finding out that people of African descent wrote Shakespeare plays, again, very controversial, but even the British people are now acknowledging that. So let us acknowledge the facts and accept history for what it was. Yes, when we arrived in the Americas, we were trading gold, and it was just an extension of the king's vision to explore the New World. He ended up in Brazil, that's around the year 13 something. which obviously predates Columbus by almost 200 years. We intermingled with native or indigenous peoples who were already here, mostly in mostly from South America. That amalgamation took place on the island of St. Vincent. Of course, most of us know the tragic history that continued from that time at the end of the 1700s to the early 1800s when we were displaced, banished from our then homeland, St. Vincent. In Honduras, we had our names changed. We were given names by the royalists from Honduras, hence the names like Arzuz, Martinez, Palacio, which obviously we know that those aren't our original names. That is our history. We subsequently ended up in Belize sometime around 1802, which would be about 5 years after the banishment from St. Vincent when the paramount chief, Joseph Chatouillet, was ambushed and killed. In Belize, we hold a very prominent place and position under duress because the colonial regime, when we arrived, was still under the system of slavery and post emancipation people. Therefore, the need to maintain colonial power and control created a fracture and divide between brothers and sisters of African mothers and fathers, talking about the Creole and the Garifuna, one people of African descent, which today still there are resentment and remnants of the colonial power structure of divide and conquer. We are still dealing with those issues today, but I'm certain that we have come a very long way. And the Garinagu, which is the plural for Garifuna, are now a prominent part and parcel of our Belizean fabric. I should probably pause there if you have any questions. I don't want to take up all the time, and I can always continue if there is any question coming from anyone. But that gives you a glimpse of who we are, our contributions primarily in the areas of education, culture, music, dance, cuisine, but all those things, like I mentioned, are now a part of the wider Belizean culture. So we were able to maintain our language. I'm wearing one of my traditional dashikis, which is African as well. And this contribution is ongoing, and the Garifuna has a place in Belize. We have a place in Honduras. We have a place in Guatemala. We have a place in Nicaragua. All these Central American countries are one territory across borders. We need to understand that. However, because of economic needs and desires, many of us, like over 100,000, are now residing in the continental United States, parts of Canada, and Europe. Okay, should I take a pause there and maybe you can ask me a few questions?
All right, thank you, Dr. Ludwig Palacio. That was so innovative. I really enjoyed that, and thank you so much. So we want you to stay tuned with us because we might be having some questions towards the end of the show. Okay, so just stay tuned with us. Thank you so much for that. Wow.
You are welcome.
All right. So that was Dr. Ludwig Palacio, and right now we'll be having a glimpse of the Yoruba culture by Samuel Aluko, and also myself. I'll just say a few things in Yoruba that you guys could get. So I'm gonna turn it over to Samuel Aluko. Please unmute yourself.
Okay. Good night, everybody. Can you hear me?
Can hear you.
Good night. Olamide Onipede. Good night, Miss Sharon. Thanks for inviting me to the show. Hello.
So, yeah, we are listening. Just we want you to tell us a little glimpse or something about Yoruba culture. It could be a poem, it could be something, your food, your favorite food, and how it's made, something.
Okay, I think I can talk more about food because I love cooking. It's one of my passion. So I have this particular food that my mom used. I mean, my mom liked me to make for her. I name Inyo and Amala. And actually, I'll first talk about Amala. Amala is made from what do you call it? From yam flour. It's a favorite food of my mom. Loves this food very well. So only me can make that food for her that she will like most. So anytime she's out of home, she'll call me before I get home. Please do this for me. I say okay, don't worry. So as I said, it's made from yam. The way how to prepare it is uh, the process of it starts from it was dry. When it dry, it be great. It be grounded like a flour. So after that, you put water on the fire. When the water get boiling, then you pour the flour inside the water. Then you stir it until it come like a. You have to be very very smooth because if you don't care of not taking, it can make it so that they have a lot of bumps. So that's not good. So actually, I like the food so much. It's a very nice dish.
Thank you so much for that, Samuel. That was so informative. I also love amala. I
Okay.
grew up in Ibadan, and in Ibadan, it's
Yes,
one of the main dishes in
yes,
Ibadan. So it's really very important to the Yoruba culture. You have to know how to eat amala. You have to know how to eat swallow, and not just amala. We have eba, we have pounded yam, which is you
yes.
just
You are
pound.
right, Ola.
Yes.
Yeah, I know Ibadan people love amala too. Are you there?
Yeah, so thank you so much for that, Samuel. That was really informative. I am a big fan of amala as well, and eba especially, and there's also fufu. So others, well, when it comes to African culture, it's more than just the food and music and entertainment. It goes a lot more into it. There's so much like richness in the language. There's so much in the way people interact with each other. I know people want to see what they want to know is about our food, our music, but it's not always like that. So right now we'll go into the Igbo. Okay, right now we'll go for a dance for with one of the Waturugo dance troupe. With this person is going to be Ivy Marie. Are you ready for us? Ivy? Hi. Hello. Ivy, are you ready? Okay, Ivy's not ready yet, so we have to.
Hey, oh, yeah. Hello?
Yeah, are you ready? Hi,
Hello, can
Geraldine.
you hear me, Ola?
Yes, I can hear
Avi
you.
not ready for you. Avi's not ready, but Diana is ready.
Vianney. All right, we can have Vianney dance for
I
us.
can't hear you guys.
Can you hear me now? Can you hear me now?
Okay, yes.
Okay,
I
please.
can hear you.
Okay, can Vianney turn on the music and give us what music is she gonna dance to?
Can she unmute? She's still on mute.
All right, looks like Ivy's not ready. Brianni, are you ready, please? Brianni, are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, please turn on your music and let's see the wonderful dance you're gonna give us tonight. What's the title of your music?
Shekere.
All right, so let's hear it and let's see your dance. Take it away.
Talking drums and shakera combination. I see people under the tambourino. Dancing, I guess there is a celebration. My back shaking on, I'm the only one at home. All I want to do now is dance the wombo. So I lock up and keep Kokorola Bevono. I can't tell where do they have you, yeah. Come see it's my picking at the Arugo de time. All I want to do now is dance the wombo. So I lock up and keep Kokorola Bevono. I can't tell where do they have you, yeah. Come see it's my picking at the Arugo de time. I hear the sound of a tambourino. Talking drums and shakera combination. I see people under the tambourino. Dancing, I guess there is a celebration. The dance for Molombo. Dance for Molombo. Molombo. Looking to dance for Molombo. Dance for Molombo. Dance for Molombo.
Wow, that is awesome. Thank you so much, Brianna, for that. That was so beautiful. And right now we have an awesome choreographer and also the manager of Waturugu Dance Troupe, Hope Amadi, here with us.
Hi everybody. Hi everybody. Nos Hope here, the choreographer for Waturugu Dance Troopers. Man, Brianna, that was a wonderful dance. Thank you very much for blessing us today with your performance.
Yes.
Yes, that was a wonderful one. That was a wonderful
Yes.
one. As you all know, music is something that connects. As you know, we are doing connecting. We are connecting the dots. That is what Bel Africa does. And we must big up our founder, Miss Sharon Palacio for creating such a beautiful platform for young our young dancers to excel and to show off what they have. So yes, dancing connects everybody. Dancing connects the Igbos, the Yorubas, Africans, Belizeans, Central, Garifuna, everybody. Creoles, dance connects everybody. Thank you very much. Yes, we have another dancer,
Well, before that, I have a question at the end of this show, and we have something to win courtesy of Barak Trading Center. It's a nice blow dryer. And I have a question. If you guys were paying attention in the beginning, I mentioned something about African language. So I'll be asking a question. Okay? Look, courtesy of Barak Trading Center. So we all know that, like you said, music connects people, dance connects people. So we have another dance by but before that, let's just stay tuned and listen to this music. Are the girls ready?
Yes, so yes. Tumba.
All right. While we wait for our next set of dancers, sorry, I have to stop the music. I just wanted Nos Hope to say something in Igbo. Hey!
Yes, so my people, I salute. Yeah, we have a dance that I would have loved our dancers to do today, but they wouldn't, everybody choose what they want to do. I would have wanted them to do Arabanko. Arabanko is an Igbo traditional dance that we performed, and it has been a sensation here in Belize. Everybody love it, and they love when Miss Sharon dances Arabanko because Miss Sharon could dance too, So Arabanko is an Igbo song that we've done, and we choreographed a lot of African songs.
Wait. I said I want you to say something in Igbo. You are explaining Arabanko.
My people. I agree to.
Well done. Dalo. See, I
my
know.
people, make a no verse. I beg.
So now we have Ivy Marie, who is going to be coming with a nice dance for us.
Yeah, Marie's supposed to do tumbo.
She's supposed to do tumbo.
Yeah,
Ooh, see? We were getting ready for her. Ivy, you ready? Is Ivy ready?
Yeah.
Okay, take it away, Ivy. She's one of the Waturugu dance troupe, so she's ready to dance. What song is she dancing for us? Hello?
We are waiting on you, Geraldine.
Yes, sir. I'm trying to. I'm trying to work the app. Can you guys hear?
Yes, we're hearing. I see Ivy. I see Viviane. Yes, Ivy, how are you?
There's asking.
We can hear the music. Yeah, so you can start the music and they can start dancing.
How are you?
Oh, I'm good.
All right. Can you please say one or two things, please? Say something.
Sorry, I can't hear you.
Are you excited?
Just go ahead and do the dance for us. Thank you very much.
Yes?
Can the music be louder, please?
1 minute. But not gonna introduce herself.
Hi, my name is Ivy Marie, and I will be dancing tumbum.
I have to concentrate on one. Should I combine the two? Okay. I should concentrate on one. Why you look at me? You concentrate.
We can hear the music. All right, thank you so much. We couldn't hear the music towards the end, but that was really an awesome performance, Ivy. Thank you so much for that. You are so beautiful doing that dance. Yemi alade tumbu tumbu. That was so beautiful. Thank you so much. So next, what do we have next? Oh.
Before we go to the next person, I must say this: our dancers are professionals. So if you're watching out there and you want to see Waturugu dance troopers perform in your wedding, parties, graduation, any kind of celebration you want to celebrate, and you want Waturugu dancers, Waturugu troopers to be there, just contact us. Hit up Sharon Palacio's page. You can hit me up as a choreographer, and we'll be there to show you an excellent performer. These guys are professionals, and this is the first time they are taking the challenge of dancing Afrobeats, connecting the dots between Africa, West Africa, Caribbean, South Africa, Caribbean, everything, connecting everybody together.
Right.
And yours truly, Ola, is part of the troopers too. She's a dancer, She's also a dancer. So I'm very happy. Thank you very much, Ivy, for the performance. And we are doing our best to promote the culture so that everybody understand what is happening. We connect with music. We connect with a lot of stuff, but today is all about entertainment, music, the food, right? I heard Samuel mention about the food. Yeah, it's all about connection. There's similarity between African food and Garifuna food. It's almost the same. When it comes to Belize, what they eat here in Belize is almost similar with what we eat in Nigeria. So don't let them bullshit you. These are all Africans living overseas. Straight.
I'm sorry for the language. This is a very, this is a very family-friendly show. So okay. I'm really sorry about that. Well, I'm glad you guys are, and I hope you guys are enjoying. So I want you guys to blow up the comment section, please. We need to hear from you guys. We need to hear your feedback. And just continue to tune in, and we have another dance, right?
Yes.
We want to know if okay, we have another dance by Waturugu.
Yes.
Many of them are ready. Most of our dancers are ready. And what's the first song they are dancing?
They will be doing Kanda
challenge. Yeah, Kanda. So they'll be doing Kanda. So I see they are almost ready, and we're gonna make them join. All right, so we're gonna play the music now. Oh, sorry, we're having a little bit of technical difficulty. So just
okay, I'll mute my mic. What to go? Okay.
All right. Go ahead. Hello.
Wow, that was so awesome, ladies. I really enjoyed that. Thank you so much for entertaining. You guys are so beautiful. Wow. You guys are so, wow, that was incredible. We are still talking about African culture. You know, when I was watching the dance, something just came to my mind, you know, in terms of African culture that is very important for people to know. And this is the fact that when we are greeting, we have different ways of greeting, right? In my Yoruba, the women, when they see somebody older or their parents, they actually go on their knees and say, Eka Arom. That's how we greet to show respect. Or Eka Suma, good afternoon. Or Eka Leg, good evening. Mr. Hope, can you please mute your mic? All right. So also the male, the guys, what they do is they prostrate, like they actually go all the way flat to the ground and they say good morning or good afternoon. Or that's how they show respect and greetings to elderly people. And so that's one thing that is very important for people to note when it comes to some African cultures, or most African cultures, they actually do that. So now we'll be having another dance by the Waturugu dance troupe, and they'll be doing Nobody. Am I correct? Yes. Please unmute your mic.
Thank you very much for giving us a platform. I'm here today with 4 of our beautiful dancers. I'm going to ask them to introduce themselves. Is that okay by you?
Yes, that is okay.
All right, please, can we come? And I wanted to introduce themselves because it's very important for the world to know who is dancing and who's behind the dance and the smile and everything. Please, let's start with number 1.
Good night, everybody. My name is Zelia Johnson. I am a trooper of the Waturugu Dance Troupe, and I'm glad that you are joining us tonight.
Thank you very much.
Good night, everyone. My name is Sharon Johnson, and thank you all for having us, and enjoy yourselves. Thank you. Good night, everyone. My name is Sharon Palacio, and it is a great pleasure of mine to have you watch us. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Ebeolisa Johnson. I'm very happy to be able to be dancing here with you guys tonight. I'm hoping that you guys are enjoying what you're seeing, getting in touch with the African side, your Belizean side, and seeing how all that relates. And just please enjoy the rest of the dances, and thank you. Namaste.
So as you could see, these girls are ready. We are ready to show you what we have. So Allah, as you said, the next song we're dancing is what?
You tell me the next song you're dancing.
Nobody. So we're going to do Nobody. And I want you guys to watch, enjoy, relax, understand the difference. There's no difference. The difference is there is no difference between Africa and Belize. Thank you very much.
Good job.
So, as you can see, nobody. Allow me to all to you again, my sister. Thank you very much for the opportunity. Thank you for letting us, show them what we can do, what Watulugu dance troopers can do. Don't forget, please, if you want to see Watulugu dance troopers in action, don't forget to reach out to us. Reach out to Sharon Palacio's page on Facebook. Reach out to my page, Hope Amadi, on Facebook. You can contact me as a choreographer. I will be there to show you what these troopers can do. There's no difference. The only difference is there is no difference. Thank you very much. Back to you, Ola. Back to you, Ola. On this, we're ready. You guys ready for the next one?
Yes.
Ola, do you want them to do the next one, or you want to give them time to relax? Which one?
Okay, thank you very much, ladies. We'll have a break. You guys, you can take a break, and we have Vianney dance for us right now. All right, so we're having Vianney join us, and she's gonna do an awesome dance for us. Vianney, are you ready?
Yes, 1 minute.
Okay, so you can take it away. We need you to just take it away.
I need to change this camera thingy.
Vianney, are we having technical difficulties?
No.
Could you begin, please? Thank you. You look so beautiful. Thank you. She's part of the Waturugu dance troupe as well, and she's an awesome dancer. She's an awesome singer as well. She's our awesome fund raiser. Yes, she's really amazing. So please take it away and just introduce yourself and tell us the song you'll be dancing.
Hi everyone, my name is Vianney Lam, and I thank you guys for locking in. And tonight I will be dancing Caroline. I hope you guys enjoy it.
All right, take it away. Wow, that was so amazing, Vianney. Thank you so much. You are so good. That was Carolina by Awilo Logomba from Congo. So Congo is another country in Africa. You know, the thing is that many people think Africa is a country. It is not. It's a continent. Just like we have Asia, just like we have North America, just like we have South America, just like we have we say Central America is it's not really a continent, but like it's a region, it's part of the Americas. So Africa has so many countries, and Congo is one of it. And right now, we want to have our amazing Dr. Ludwig Palacio to just give us, just tell us, did you enjoy some of the dances, or how did you feel about those? Oh, I don't see Dr. Ludwig right now, but I believe he's enjoying the show right now. We wanted him to just give us some little similarities between the Garifuna culture. Oh, I think he's back. Between the Garifuna culture and the African culture. So, Dr. Ludwig, what similarities do you see in the music and the dance between Garifuna culture or the Belizean culture generally, and also the African culture?
Okay, the Garifuna culture and the Creole culture. So both cultures are definitely African origin. We move to the same vibrations, the drum. We feel it in our souls. Our mothers and fathers are Africans. We have similarity in food. I think Hope alluded to that. So we eat very similar food. We like to eat spicy fish. Of course, the typical dish of the Garinagu is the hudut. I hear you guys use the word fufu. I want to think that there are also some similarities there. In the past, we used to eat this dish with our hands. It's beaten plantain, usually a mixture of green and ripe, beaten in a mortar and pestle. In Garifuna, we call it the hana. Let's share a Garifuna word. Let me hear you say hana.
In Yoruba culture, we say the mortar and pestle, we call it odo ati omodo.
Okay,
The
good.
mortar is odo, and the omodo is the pestle.
There's also similarities, of course, in the words. Some words have come from Africa directly and haven't changed since almost 700 years ago. I was on a flight to Malaysia with a veterinarian colleague from Kenya. And he said, you want to know if your language has any kind of connection to my language in Africa? Because this word kind of carries through a great section of Africa. And he asked me, how do you see a person, a human, in Garifuna? And it's a good thing I remembered it. The word is mutu. And he said, it's exactly the same word in my language. Then he asked me, well, how do you spell it? I said, we spell it M-U-T-U. He said, well, there's only one difference. We spell it M-T-U. But obviously, the sounding of it is 100% the same. And there are many other words that are definitely African that combines with the Arawaks and the Caribs to make it one language. So Garifuna really is an amalgamation of languages, including a good part which is African. Very similar folklore, storytelling. We have Barahanansi, that's definitely African, where we tell stories, and these stories usually take along with them very, very serious morals that we want to communicate to our children and the next generation. Many proverbs, as a matter of fact, that we carry in through the family from one generation to the next also came directly from Africa. So Africa is alive in the heartbeat of every Garifuna person, every Creole person, every person of African descent. And I would like to say here and now that this uniqueness, the African origin that we share, we should not allow differences created by Eurocentric historians to divide us. We are one people. If we come from one mother and father, then we are one people. Let's forget about the divisions that were created to maintain the colonial structure for hundreds of years. We are now free, and obviously, I think the same movement is going on in Africa because the same things done in the Americas were also done to the African continent that they divided into countries, which makes it hard to compete at a global level. So the more barriers we break down, both in America and in Africa, the stronger we'll become. When the Sahara Desert had the latest dust storm, we had dust coming all the way to Belize, and everybody was like flabbergasted. How is this possible? It's because the concept we have of Africa is that it's so distant, so far. Things like the dark continent, all of that. It's not. If you were to take a straight flight from Barbados, it's only 3 hours direct to the African continent. But it seems long, and it is long because of the route. Therefore, I think what my parting shot would be is that we should look at what commonalities we have, what strategic advantage we have because we're one people and because we're united. So let's be united.
Thank you so much for that, Dr. Ludwig. That was so educative. And when you mentioned that about the routes going back to Africa from like the Caribbean, because when I was coming to Belize, I passed through so many countries just to get to Belize. It was from Lagos to which is like in Middle East, to Brazil, to Peru, from Peru to El Salvador, then El Salvador to Belize. So that is such a long route where I could easily come to Belize without having to go through so many countries. So I think when it comes to like coming to this side of the world, it could be difficult and shouldn't be that difficult. And so thank you very much for that informative information. And Ms. Palacio, would you like to say anything? Well, thank you, brother.
Yeah. Well, first, I would like to thank Ludwig so much, and we want him to continue staying online until we finish.
Yes.
But what I'm appreciating tonight and all the time is I love music, as you all know, and we use music to travel throughout Africa. A while ago, we were prior to that, we were in Nigeria. And there's so many different artists from the different countries in Africa. And you get a chance to live, to understand, to vibrate.
Yeah.
So what's the next time?
Well, thank you, Dr. Ludwig. For just stay tuned for the last dance. So then we'll give you your final thank you before you leave. Thank you so much. Just stay tuned.
Okay, you're welcome.
All right. We have the Waturugo. Are you guys ready for your final dance called Dogokunde? I'm not sure which African culture that is from, but we're gonna find out through the dance. All right. Are you guys ready? Because I am ready to see this final dance. So take it away, guys.
Yes, allow me to thank you very much for once again giving us an opportunity to voice out something that we have hidden and to dance to the people to enjoy music, because we enjoy music, right? I do believe we enjoy music very much, and we're going to be showcasing another aspect of what we know how to do. We're going to be dancing a nice song that we love to dance. Are you guys ready?
Yeah.
All right, please, musica.
Musica.
Yeah, so we're gonna have what do you guys have to say to your fans? Please say something to those who are out there watching you guys, wanting to call on you guys, those who will be supporting you guys in the future. What do you have to say to them?
Hi guys, I'm a little bit out of breath, but I just want to say that during these trying times, I want you all to stay positive, stay happy, do what you love. If it's dancing, if it's planting, if it's sewing, if it's singing, please do that. And for future references, please call on us so we can come and hype up your parties, your weddings, all of that. And I assure you that we will be very good at doing that. So have a great night.
I don't even know what to say, is that I just appreciate all of you for watching us. It means a lot to us as dancers because we want to be out there, you know, in entertaining all of you and entertaining ourselves by entertaining you. And I would like to say thank you for watching us once again and have a great night.
Over to you, Ola.
All right. Thank you so much, guys, for that. That was incredible. And shout out to the awesome choreographer, Hope. My co-host, what do you have to say?
Well, you see what I keep on saying? And that's the reason I love these songs so much. We just took everybody on a journey to Tanzania. That's music from Tanzania. And constantly in the song you hear them say, Anya, haya, haya. And in Garifuna I can relate. Something like, we are here. we're here. You know, I am here. We're here. And I want to thank everybody. But before we leave, though, there's a young lady, Brianna Martinez, and she wants, or she will, share the Igbo dance, the Arabanko. So let's get Brianna. Brianna, are you there? And she promised me a while ago that she wants to do Arabanko. And I think she should.
Brianna, are you ready?
I'll be ready in a while.
We need to be ready like right now because the show is almost over. We've actually gone beyond the time for the show, so we'd like you to please get ready. But in the meantime, I'm going to ask my question. I mentioned some African countries, so I want you guys to put in the comments 5 African countries you know. 5 African countries you know. And you get to win this awesome hair dryer. 5 African countries you know. So please put it in the comment section, and the first person that gets the answer gets to win this. But we want, sorry guys, we want to be more specific about the African countries. We want it to be West African because we need this to be more difficult. So it's not easy to get this thanks to Barak Trading Center. So we want you guys to be more specific about the African countries. We want 5 West African, not South Africa, not North Africa, not East Africa, but West African countries. I don't want you to go. 5 West African countries. So we're gonna take it to Brianni. Brianni, are you ready?
Let's start.
Are you ready?
And where's the thing?
Are you ready now, Bri?
Yes.
All right. So she'll be doing Arabanko, which is an Igbo dance, like Mamadi mentioned, and it will be to end the show. But I'll be looking out for who answered my question. I asked 5 West African countries. So take it away,
Ma, the question I'm doing 5 West African countries.
I swear. But don't mean someone in. But don't mean one little bit engineer Bruno. Papa. If I'm going to pull up in London, I do. And they are saying, one of me, I'm a baby money, oh brother. I get them, do not go to you. Just a while, I was on a guru, kind of in the man of Awalaga. I want to guru, in the man of Anima. But you put bucket again, I took a bucket again. I let him, but on a low level. I got a mother who can room in Nagana. How will I get them, Mamma? Now what more? I got to get you, brother, on Ukala. If I get a rose, if I get a roda, if I get a mungo, if I get a mungo, I cannot pay. I see thy rival, now for thy rival, I cannot pay. Want to the roda, home with the for the rose, they make my roda. I cannot pay. I
Thank you so much, Brianna, for that beautiful dance. That was thank you.
Yep. You're welcome.
I really enjoyed that. So, somebody answered the question, but one African country is wrong. So try again, Kilisha Andrews. You have one more chance. You are correct, but one African country is wrong. So maybe you check it over. But so 5 West African countries. Come on, guys. Come on, guys. To close off the show, just put it in the comments, and if you get to win, we're gonna contact you. 5 West African countries. Kelisha Andrews, you got 4 right, but there's one that is wrong. So maybe you check over your spelling or something. I don't want to give it away. Yeah. So my beautiful co-host today is Miss Sharon Palacio. Thank you very much for being a part of the show today. Dr. Ludwig, we want to say thank you for staying with us to the end of this show.
You're welcome.
Final word before you go to bed.
No. I don't go to bed too early. I will do some more work, and
Okay.
I'm going to get back to a book that we are working on. 2 veterinarians are putting our stories together based on funny incidents that happen in our daily practice. You're going to enjoy it. The book should be ready towards the end of the year. It's entitled Tales, Tails, of the Caribbean Intertwined.
Hey, sir, thank you so much for that, and God bless you. Eshe Gonyu, Dalu, Nagode, Hausa.
All right. Ceremony Abu, are you?
All right. Good night.
Good
Odaro.
night.
Yes, sir.
All right.
Kachifu.
Okay. Now, so if you're gonna say some good night to everybody viewing in Igbo, I want you to say it in real Igbo.
Good night is good night, you know. Okay, in Igbo land, when we say kachifo, meaning see you in the morning, it's like good night. So kachifo.
Okay.
See you in the morning. Thank you very much, everybody, for watching. We do appreciate your contribution, your comment, and your utmost involvement and whatever you've been doing to support the group. Thank you very much. We must say we are grateful, and without you, we wouldn't be here. So thank you.
All right. So in our comment section, we already have Kelisha Andrews. I'm sorry if I'm butchering your name right now, but you know yourself. You won the prize. I see you actually fixed it. So you gave us 5 West African countries. You gave us Gambia, Ghana, Nigeria, Niger, and Togo. So thank you very much. Congratulations on winning the hair dryer.
But let me say something, please. Don't be offended, Miss Andrews. Next time, if you want to spell any country name, you have to start the name with the capital letter. It's very important. You know, these are countries. Some people don't want you to spell their country name with small letters. So Nigeria, I'm originally from Nigeria. You need to spell Nigeria with capital letter, please. Thank you very much. Ola, what do you say? Or what do you think?
Well, thank you very much, Kelisha Andrews, for winning that. Like my co-host said, spelling capital letter, I guess. Well, thank you. So you've won, and we're going to get in touch with you. So congratulations. I want to say good night to everyone watching. Bao. I'm just praying for you guys in my language. So God bless you and good night and see you next week. If you guys want us to talk about something, about the culture, about everything going on in the world, just put it in the comment section and let us know suggestions on topics. And also, I want you guys to continue to stay safe, continue to wear your mask, continue to wash your hands, and social distance is very important. And God bless you and see you next week. Good night. Okay, we're just gonna end with some music now. I don't like that. I didn't know what to say. That's what they pronounce it. I know